Zurich. Zurich is a popular tourist destination, offering a wide range of attractions and activities for visitors to enjoy. Zurich's combination of cultural richness, natural beauty, and modern amenities makes it an appealing destination for tourists seeking a mix of experiences in Switzerland. Whether you're interested in history, art, outdoor adventures, or simply enjoying a leisurely vacation, Zurich has something to offer. Here are some of the reasons why Zurich is a popular tourist destination. Number 1. Cultural attractions. Zurich boasts a rich cultural scene with numerous museums, galleries, and historic sites. Some of the must-visit cultural attractions include the Swiss National Museum, Kunsthaus Zurich, Zurich Art Museum, and the Museum of Art, Museum für Gestaltung. These institutions showcase Swiss and international art and history. Number 2. Old Town, Altstadt. The historic Old Town of Zurich is a charming area with narrow cobblestone streets, medieval buildings, and picturesque squares. Strolling through this area allows you to soak in the city's history and architecture. Don't miss landmarks like Grossmünster and Fraumünster churches. Number 3. Lake Zurich. Lake Zurich is a beautiful natural attraction right in the heart of the city. Visitors can take leisurely boat cruises, go swimming in designated areas, or simply relax by the lake and enjoy the scenic views. Number 4. Shopping. Zurich is known for its high-end shopping, and Bahnhofstrasse is one of the world's most exclusive shopping streets. Here, you can find luxury boutiques, department stores, and international brands. The city also has vibrant markets and boutique shops for a unique shopping experience. Number 5. Culinary scene. Zurich offers a diverse culinary scene, with a wide range of restaurants serving Swiss and international cuisine. Be sure to try traditional Swiss dishes like fondue and raclette. The city also has a vibrant cafe culture where you can enjoy coffee and pastries. Number 6. Outdoor activities. For those who enjoy outdoor activities, Zurich offers opportunities for hiking, cycling, and even swimming in the summer. The nearby Swiss Alps provide excellent options for skiing and snowboarding during the winter months. Number 7. Cultural events and festivals. Zurich hosts numerous cultural events and festivals throughout the year. These include music festivals, film festivals, and the famous Zurich Film Festival. Check the local event calendar to see if there are any festivals happening during your visit. Number 8. Nightlife. Zurich has a lively nightlife scene with bars, clubs, and live music venues catering to a variety of tastes. The Langstrasse district is known for its nightlife, offering a mix of bars and clubs open late into the night. Number 9. Day trips. Zurich's central location in Switzerland makes it an excellent starting point for day trips to other Swiss cities and attractions. You can easily take a train to places like Lucerne, Bern, or the Swiss Alps for a day of exploration. Number 10. Quality of life. Zurich consistently ranks high in terms of quality of life, and its cleanliness, safety, and efficiency make it a comfortable and enjoyable destination for travelers. The best time to visit Zurich depends on your preferences and the type of activities you want to enjoy. Zurich has distinct seasons, each offering a unique experience. Here's a breakdown of the different seasons to help you decide when to visit. Number 1. Spring. March to May. Spring is a pleasant time to visit Zurich as the city starts to come to life after the winter. The weather is generally mild, with temperatures gradually warming up. Cherry blossoms in parks and gardens make for beautiful scenery in April and May. Spring is a good time for sightseeing and outdoor activities as the city is less crowded compared to summer. Number 2. Summer, June to August. Summer is the peak tourist season in Zurich, and for good reason. The weather is warm and sunny, with temperatures ranging from 20 C to 30 C, 68 F to 86 F. Outdoor activities like swimming in Lake Zurich, hiking in nearby mountains, and enjoying open-air festivals are popular during this time. However, it can get crowded, and hotel prices may be higher, so book accommodations well in advance. Number 3. Autumn, September to November. Early autumn is a lovely time to visit Zurich when the weather is still pleasant, and the city is less crowded than in summer. Fall foliage in the surrounding areas, such as the nearby forests and vineyards, can be stunning. September is a good month for enjoying outdoor activities before the weather starts to cool down. Number 4. Winter, December to February. Zurich transforms into a winter wonderland during the holiday season, with Christmas markets and decorations adding to the charm. If you enjoy winter sports like skiing and snowboarding, the nearby Swiss Alps offer excellent opportunities. The weather is cold, with temperatures often dropping below freezing, so be prepared for winter conditions. The city is less crowded in winter, making it a good time for cultural activities like museum visits and indoor entertainment. Number 5. Festivals and events. Consider any specific events or festivals you'd like to attend. Zurich hosts various events throughout the year, including the Zurich Film Festival, usually in September, Sechselorten, a spring festival in April, and numerous Christmas markets in December. In summary, the best time to visit Zurich depends on your preferences for weather and activities. Summer is the high tourist season and ideal for outdoor pursuits, while spring and autumn offer milder weather and fewer crowds. Winter is perfect for those seeking a festive atmosphere and winter sports. Ultimately, the choice of when to visit Zurich should align with your interests and what you hope to experience in this vibrant Swiss